If you've driven the streets of Pittsburgh recently, you've likely come across roadwork. This labor is the result of a 5-year plan instituted in 2010. When funds no longer allowed allocation for road maintenance, voters approved a dedicated sales tax the second time it was put on the ballot, a decision residents like Don Pope do not regret.
Here I've lived here and I sit out front and drink coffee in the mornings and stuff, and I see the work crews going by, and I'm on retirement, getting my retirement, and they drive real slow and stuff here. It's been real nice, I thought.
Among the streets that were the focus of the third year of the plan included Quincy, Joplin, Walnut, 7th, and a large-scale project on Broadway. Although the precipitation we experienced in August has caused the paving to come later than City Manager Darren Hall would have liked, it's better late than never, and the upkeep is helping Pittsburgh maintain an enterprising presence.
You know, nobody wants to drive around on rotten streets. It says a lot about your town. So this is the year 3 we just finished. I've been here for 2 years of it. I think they're doing a great job, and then the idea will probably go back and try to get this thing renewed permanently so we have to have a street program if we're going to be a progressive city.
Next year, the Broadway project will extend to 13 blocks on the north end, along with a number of arterial streets. The City of Pittsburgh's website features an easy-to-read map of the current progress and future projects for the remainder of the plan. But the question remains, will voters see the benefits crucial enough to extend the plan into the perpetual future? Many seem to think it's well worth the tax investment.
Just in the school zone, it'd be a lot better since they put down new pavement. I think it's safer. I think it'd be safer. I think it's a lot safer.
While there are still a few more things to be completed on Walnut Street and 7th Street, city workers are nearing the end of Year 3's season. With continued community support, we can expect regular maintenance on the roads that keep our community connected.
I really liked living here. I thought it was nice.
For GTV, I'm Jessica Ruiz.